Okay, gente, just 2-3 minutes waiting for something other people. Aspettiamo ancora un po', Maurizio.
Sì, aspettiamo di fare un minuti. Sono 29:30. Quando ho venuto in tutto
Okay, just 4 minutes more, and then we start.
Bonjour.
So, okay,
Bonjour,
just,
Monsieur Frazani.
Bonjour, Madame Nadia. Comment ça va?
Ça va et vous, ça va? Bonjour tout le monde.
Ouais, très bien, merci beaucoup. Bonne journée.
Ouais.
okay, we will start now. Okay. First of all, thank to everyone for attending on this webinar. This webinar is for explain in detail our event, our mission, technical mission that will take in Italy, will take in May, from 17th of May. And then we can explain in detail our program and our mission to do for that. I'm Maurizio Piccoli. I'm one of the CRG team. I'm specialized in production and methodology of production analysis and new technology and new plant as well. So now we want to share with you the program, the visit of the Sun factory in the center of Italy, And also we want to explain the meaning of this motivation about behind this event, because it is very important for us to understand, for you or for us, to understand the reason that we continue to inspire organize this event each year. Okay. Let's start with a brief introduction of CSG Engineering. Okay, who we are. CSG Engineering is an engineering and consulting and software company specialized in exclusively in the precast concrete industry. With over 30 years of experience, we support clients across the full precast value chain, from concept and feasibility to factory startup, automation, and long-term operational optimization. The CSG is founded by professionals who began their career within leading precast companies in Italy, especially, but not only in Italy. CSG combines end-on industry expertise with advanced engineering and digital innovation. Our route in the Italian precast sector, recognized worldwide for its quality, automation, and process excellence, have shaped our technical rigor and business vision. We position ourselves as a reliable long-term partner for both established precast producer and new market entrants. Many of our first clients, this is true, remain with us today, a testament to our commitment to continuous support and innovation. Our structure. Sorry, one moment.
Yes, vieni qua una chiamata.
Ah, non si vede più?
Non si vede, no, vieni qua. Tu non vedi Maurizio? Vieni qua. Vedi?
Questo?
Qua, no, in mezzo. Qua, vieni qua, sì, condividi. Condividi entry screen, lì, tutto qua. No? Ci clicca qua, fai un share, un hide, ora torna qua, nel tuo PowerPoint. Bene, ora puoi fare un'altra cosa lì.
Okay.
Adesso si vede.
Sorry for this inconvenience, but we continue now. Our structure, we are GSG is around 30 persons working with RGB across the world. Many in Italian, but also we have some people living in North America, in South America, in Turkey, etc., etc. Our structure is the following. Design department, we have a structural engineer, architect, detailer, and BIM specialist. In the section of manufacturing installation, we have production engineers, site engineer, planners, and logistic engineers. Precast analysis, cost analysis, research and development engineers, estimation engineers. And then we have IT department, especially for our two main software. It is ERP developer by P2000 and design and BIM software developer by Lego CAD. Okay. Our mission. From the beginning, our mission has been to engage the entire CSG team to deliver smart, practical, and optimized solution tailored to each client needs. We integrate engineering excellence following international best practice, production and logistic optimization, continuous software development, and real-time client collaboration. Our IT teams working closely with the client, constantly testing and improving our solution directly with in-house user to ensure efficiency and performance. Our expertise, precast know-how, precast building system, design and startup of precast plan, production automation, cost control and business optimization, development and new precast construction system, BIM project, and a general engine drawing system. Okay. Now I want to explain why we have dedicated ourselves to this initiative. as part of our mission in precast concrete consultancy, because we are consultants, okay? We firmly believe that the combination of shared knowledge and expertise in key methodology, technical design solution, building system, production technology, innovative machinery, and manufacturing, logistic, and installation process is essential to driving progress and remaining competitive in the precast industry at an international level. For this reason, by observing and exchanging best practice in precast production process with the management team of the company hosting us, we aim to provide comprehensive and high-value insight. This insight helps generate and implement new ideas and improvement, which in many cases can be effectively adapted to the specific production environments and operational management structure for our visitor, for our people that coming together, okay? In the next slide, we will show a short video clip highlighting some of the key moments from the past edition of the event.
Welcome to a presentation of a proposed technical stage. It will taking place in Italy and organized by SysG Engineering for all professionals in the concrete precast field. Since 2014, SysG Engineering has been organized this event, giving to all professional participants the opportunity to visit some of Italy's leading precast companies and overview the technology and methodologies directly in factory during their production process. At the end of the stage, all the attendees have been gained a deeper understanding of the Italian technology and the updated state of art of excellence in concrete precast. The event highlights the benefits of hands-on learning, such as getting a better understanding of the technology and its applications, creating relationships with the host industry leaders, and exploring new business opportunities. Don't miss the opportunity to be part of SysG Engineering's technical stage to explore the Italian excellence in concrete precast industries. Register now to take advantage of this opportunity. Thank you for watching.
Okay, next slide. We have in detail the program and timing. Okay, we propose the mission will start Sunday, May 17, 2026 in Bologna. Bologna is a city in north of Italy. We will start with, for the people coming from intercontinental flight, we suggest to book fly to air to Rome, okay? Because from Rome, at your arrival, you can take a domestic flight to Bologna, is less of 1 hour, maybe 30 minutes flight from Rome, or otherwise we can take a high-speed train from Rome to Bologna. So the mission will start in the late afternoon of Sunday, 17. Okay, we collect all people, all participants in one hotel. The hotel will be provided later. The name of the hotel, because we need to understand how many participants we have. We have to book availability. By the way, we have a lot of options, and the hotel will be 4-star. Okay. We provide a small meeting just to present, to introduce all of us, okay, and the participant, of course, and then we have a dinner in hotel. The day after, Monday, we awake very early because the day is long. And then we starting with breakfast in hotel. Then we have departure by bus, and we reach Forlì. Forlì from Bologna to Forlì, it is 1 hour driving. Okay, we'll arrive in Quersoli. Quersoli is a company. It's a big company in the north of Italy. The plant is one of the last state-of-art plant. Really, really modern plant with combined of good mold and concrete production and distribution. Very, very, very interested. Okay, so we are arriving in Quersoli. We have the manager is our friend. It is Mr. Massimiliano Baglioni. It is speaking very well English, so that will help us to present to introduce the factory. We will visit the factory, of course, and then we can visit also the moment of production, so we can see casting, steel fabricator, whatever. Okay, and then we will find one moment to present our software, CSG technical presentation. We will have a lunch, and then we wish to have a visit site to see, to watch some moment in erection. Okay, this is not sure, but we hope to have, because it depends of the combination of timing and site available. But for sure we can try to have, if it's not in Quersoli, in the main other, in the other. Okay, so then we go to dinner in hotel, accommodation in Forrestal. Okay, and the day after, Tuesday, May 19, breakfast, the same. Then we leave very, very early at 8 o'clock. We drive from Forlì to Bibbiena, as an hour, 2 hour and a half, I think, more or less. And then we reach Bartlett. Bartlett is a very interesting company. My opinion is one of the best in Italy. We will receive it by Luca Bernardini, the CEO, okay, our friend, and then we will stay with Mr. Bernardini. Will present the company, and we visit the factory, of course, and then we have a very interesting lunch because Barclay, they have a very fine restaurant inside, and then we can enjoy the lunch by Tuscany lunch. Okay. Later we go to an hotel. We have a dinner in hotel and accommodation. Wednesday is the third days. Now we leave from hotel, and then we are arriving by bus in Manini. Manini, you have two options. One is north in Tuscany, Umbria, okay, near of Baraclit, or the other plant is in Aprilia. Aprilia is very, very close to Rome, okay, maybe 15 kilometers from south of Rome. Now we don't have assurance of which one we have to visit, but we consider the one near of Rome. Of course, the same story. We present the manager. It is speaking very well English. It is Mr. Casali. We'll have a conversation. We have to share some opinion, some information, etc., etc. We visit the factory. We will have a lunch, and then we move to Rome. The end of mission. Okay. This is in detail. So, for example, Sunday from Bologna, we will visit. We will office mission, the reception and delegation in Bologna. It will be moment to dedicate the technical briefing, alignment of activity, and then welcome dinner and to encourage interaction and networking among the participants. Monday 18, we will depart early to morning to Forlì, where the day will be dedicated to visit Quarzoli and its industrial plant, as well technical presentation focusing structure and engineering. 19th of May, we will move to area of Bibbiena, then it will be a day of deep immersion in production process, which is the first visit facility recognized for their automation, organization industrial capacity. Lunch will be arranged within the production complex, offering direct insight into the local operational culture. Then we move to Manini. Manini will be traveled to Aprilia. The day will be dedicated to the analysis of another strategic industrial complex. In the late afternoon will be officially conclude the mission in the city of Rome. So, expected end of mission in Rome. What happened in Rome on Thursday and Friday? There is the cost of the event. Sorry, the contribution of this mission, including 4-star hotel, breakfast, lunch, and dinner, transportation by bus, and our organization assistance will be €2,000 per person. The detail for payment, for a booking, etc., will be provided later. Okay. What happened in Rome? In Rome, on the end of the weeks, the same week, okay, there is two very important moments. Okay, we have also aimed to combine our technical mission with two major international events that will take place in Rome from May 20 to 22. One is the EPHA Congress, so means it is International Pre-Stress Holocaust Association. It is a worldwide congress, okay, about the producer of Holocaust, okay. And in the meantime, we have the BIBM Congress, meaning is Bureau International du Béton Manufacturé. Practically is one of the major happening that the European producer, okay, precast producer, okay. So the professional who wish to attend can register directly through the official event website, because we are not linked in this for us in this moment. Okay, then we have the last slide is thank you for your time. And if you have questions, we are available for any question. Okay.
Possiamo dire che è venuto in Italia, ha sempre visitato, diciamo, un po' la produzione italiana, un po' all'avanguardia rispetto agli altri paesi, quindi è venuto ha rubato, ha colto qualche idea così anche per la propria produzione.
Yes, Mr. Fasani is beside me. Say this mission, technical mission, it is now, I think, we produce it every year since 2008, like this. Okay, so now we have more of 15 times of this organization. And the people that coming to this visit, we're very, very, very happy, because we have some feedback about this and then there is some people that is coming 2-3 times to visit this technical mission, because we visit not only the same company, we visit different company. For example, every year we try to have different journey. So, for example, last year we organized in Portugal, and then in the winter, in the last autumn, we visit for also Turkey. So we have a lot of combination. This time we organize in Central Italy, because there is combination of these two very important congress in Rome. our factory, the factory that we visit, are really the state of art of precast in Italy. It's a huge plant. There is a combination of many sectors, for example, from column, beam, double T slab. So it's completely the gamma of the production. It is completely okay. So you can see in Manini. I think we can see also locality. Okay. If you have any question for organization, for timing, whatever, we are available. Then sometime, what is the moment very interested in these 2-3 days? A part of the visit, technical visit, okay. We have the possibility to talk about methodology, plan, innovation. We can sharing, for example, opinions, even not only in the factory when we visit, maybe during the travel, during the bus, okay, during the dinner. The dinner, it is fantastic because we have like a friend, you know, you understand. It is really interesting. Okay, it's very nice moment. Okay. In any case, if you have some question that is not immediately, we can answer in detail.
Victoria, I have a question. Which kind of production we will see like during this trip? Like it's mainly related to the precast, or we will see also some, for example, holocore, some like pre-stress, post-stress. What will we see there? Can you explain?
Okay. In Bartlett and in Forlì, in Guersoli, you can see, for example, for structure for commercial building, like foundation, like column, like pre-stressed beam, double T slab, and wall panel. Okay, and a special covering, for example, Italian. I don't know if you know, we have some special enameled wing beam. Okay, like a V roof. Okay, that is combined with many other solutions. Okay, by shed, by and in Bartlett will be mostly the same, but in Bartlett we have also some treatment of the panel, that surface treatment. So we have a polished panel, we have some blasted panel, we have what you say, like bush-hammered panels. This is treatment of surface, okay? And the panel also, it is insulated by sandwich. Okay? In Manini, if we're working in north, near Assisi, okay, we can have the holocore. In Aprilia, we don't know. I don't know if you have holocore in Aprilia. Maurizio, you know? If you have, abbiamo degli holocore in Aprilia.
Penso siano da parte
di Perugia. We ought to go now. We have we need to receive the confirmation about if it is in Aprilia or in Umbria. If you have in Umbria, in Perugia, it is holocore. There is holocore.
Se c'è qualche domanda in lingua.
Marco?
Portoghese.
How are you, Marco?
¿Alguien aquí habla español? ¿Necesito traducir algo?
Yeah. Marco Scampa is our total friend, okay, and then he's responsible for progress in North America and in South America, okay. If you need some things about that, because Marco was with us last year, then enjoyed too much with us, okay. If you have some question in Espanol or Portuguese, no problem. But then there is also Daniela here for Portuguese, and then we have some other from Espanol.
Cristóbal tiene una pregunta.
Sí.
Marco.
Hola, ¿se escucha?
Sí, te escucho.
Ah, perfecto. Justamente yo quería consultar si había alguien que hablara español y si en esta visita también, bueno, parece que uno puede llevar, ya con la tecnología puede llevar cosas que nos pueden ayudar en la traducción en inglés, pero quería saber si también hay alguien permanente con...
No, tranquilo, como el año pasado yo estoy ahí, hablo español, entonces te puedo traducir, te puedo ayudar y sin ningún problema, ahí voy a estar, entonces te puedo traducir, tranquilo.
Ya, y podemos hacer una reunión, Marco, aparte, para no interferir en esto, para que me puedan explicar.
Sí, podemos hacer, luego voy a sacar tu contacto y a través de Mauricio vamos hablando los tres, aparte sin molestar a la gente aquí.
Ya, te dejo ahí por el chat mis datitos.
Sí, perfecto, muy amable, muchas gracias.
Gracias.
Thank you, Marco. Welcome also our friend from Carmichael Precast. I saw they are connected. Okay. Daniela, we take some now.
Sim, aos portugueses brasileiros também que estão presentes, ficarem tranquilos também, caso queiram participar, fazer algum questionamento, também posso traduzir e também na missão estaremos presentes para fazer traduções, caso queiram. Mutu si presente, vuoi parlare un po' anche per i turchi?
Hi everyone. I was checking the list, but I didn't see much of Turks here. But if you have some questions, you can ask me in Turkish. Eğer burada Türk katılımcılarımız da varsa Türkçe soruları da cevaplayabilirim. Hepinize teşekkür ederim.
Ok. Se non ci sono domande, allora
C'è una domanda from Cristobal. Okay, if we don't have any question, we are always available. Who intend to participate? We can take. We can send email or we contact just to have more detail in the future. Okay. Thank you for your time again, and we hope to have a lot of you with us on May. Thank you much.
Obrigada a todos, então, até breve.
Questo qua generalmente. Ok, abbandono. Sì, poi neanche trovi peone.